Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are all doing great, and this is Umar with you. And today was an excellent day in terms of trading, and I can say this is the best year in terms of trading. We made a good profit of decent profit of around 2.26% today alone. That makes it to around almost 8% for this month, right? So we have one more expiry, which is going to be the Sensex expiry and Bankex expiry tomorrow in terms of BSE. So once that is done, this year is going to end smooth, I believe. We really don't know what is going to happen tomorrow, so it is hypothetical, right? So if you are not following us on Telegram or Twitter, you can log into our account. You can follow us on Instagram and Twitter. This is our live trading PNL, where we share all the details. So you can see here we made a profit of around 76,000 around 76,422. So it was a great day. In fact, market never moved at all, right? That is the main thing. That was the main thing which has contributed for an option seller. For an option seller to make money, what do you think is the right thing? Market shouldn't move at all, and that is exactly what happened today. If you see the Banknifty, let me take you to the Banknifty chart, and this is the Banknifty chart, and we'll talk about Nifty chart also. So if you see, Banknifty hasn't moved at all. So it has formed a doji pattern, and if I change this to a 5 minutes time frame, you can see here hardly it moved below 48,300, and on the higher side it never moved above 48,665. 48,300 to 48,655, around 350 points. So if it is not moving, it is going to be very good for an option seller, particularly option seller like me, who is interested in expiry day trades. But there is a catch here. You have to understand. Let me illustrate you. I don't know if you are able to see this. There is a negative divergence. RSI is showing higher low. At the same time, you can see price action is showing higher high. So what does that mean is the probability of the market. I wouldn't say the market is going to come down, right? Market is going to come down like this. No, it is not going to crash. There should be a consolidation, and if there is any consolidation, we have to wait for tomorrow's chart pattern. Maybe there is another doji pattern, or maybe a big red candle here. We really don't know. Now let us assume if the market is coming on the downside, what is going to be the levels? That is very important. So I believe, in my perspective, if at all there is a doji pattern, first thing you have to remember, there is a doji pattern here. You can see there is a doji pattern here. Then if the market comes on the downside, we have a very strong support at around 46,000 levels, right? There is a strong support at 46,000 levels. These levels, there is a very good support. So look for 46,500 if you are willing to buy. And in case if the market is not coming down, we are in uncharted territory. Anyway, 49,000 is a very strong resistance in terms of Banknifty, is what we believe. So you might have a different perspective. You might have a different perspective. I'm not going into those things, but as per me, we believe that Banknifty might have a resistance at 49,000, and on the downside it might have a resistance support at 46,500. So that's a huge range, right? I know, because a index like Banknifty is a big index, so it will have this kind of violent move, and we have seen this kind of violent move. And in terms of Nifty, the same pattern you can observe here. We are seeing divergence in terms of Nifty, where RSI is showing higher low, but at the same time price action is showing higher high. Still we are not seeing any kind of reversal, whether it is Nifty or Banknifty. But in case the Banknifty comes on the downside, I have a strong belief that 21,200 or 21,000 itself will act as a good support. And in terms of on the higher side, we believe 22,000. We are in uncharted territory. We are at all-time high. So we might see somewhere around 21,000. So Bank Nifty might touch. It's hypothetical, I'm saying. And today I'll tell you the fight was Bank Nifty. If you see, today was Bank Nifty expiry and Nifty expiry. Last expiry for NSE in terms of calendar year I'm talking. And tomorrow we have two more expiries, BankX and Sensex in terms of BSE. So tomorrow we really don't know what is going to happen. So market may fluctuate, market may have another doji pattern, undecisiveness in terms of market. Then only we can see whether market is going to come on the downside or it is going to go on the higher side. And I have been saying this market is overstretched, we need consolidation, and I have been saying this for almost maybe more than 10 days, but it is very unfortunate. I'm not able to grasp or how to say, I'm not getting any correction, or I'm not getting it right. So that's the main point here. So no matter whether you are right or whether you are wrong, end of the day you will have to be profitable. That is all what matters, and I'm sure I am trying to be very profitable, right? So till now, let me give you a perspective. Till now we have made around almost 40% since August. So August we started expiry day trades. Then September it was full expiry day trades. Like daily there was expiry day trades from September. So August, September, October, November, December, 5 months of expiry day trade. We are close to around 40% ROI on capital invested, and we will see how we can infuse more capital or increase our capital. Another, let's say till August we have another, we are now in December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August. So 8 more months to go. We'll see if we can make more than 80 or 85%. I know what you're thinking, you bloody greedy guy, but this is how things work. We have worked for this. So if you are following us for a very long time, you would have remembered that we didn't post videos for around 1 or 1.5 months before August, or even before that. That is the time we were fully concentrating on trading, how we can trade, what we can do, what is going to be expiry day trades, how we can do management. So lots of complications, lots of R&D went into this, and it was very tough. So that's why I'm saying all this. Don't think I am arrogant. Because I have earned today, it doesn't mean I will earn tomorrow. Maybe things can change, things can evolve, and this is a place, stock market is a place where things evolve continuously, and things may change as and when it is required, and we have to be ready for that, right? So don't mistake me, or don't think I am arrogant. I am repeating it again. And in terms of FIA data, FIA data has not yet come. People are behind FIA data, but I really don't know what is in FIA data. FIAs are net buyers only. Even on 27th, today's data we didn't get. As of yesterday, they are net buyers. They have bought for around 2,926 crores. And I'm sure today also they would have been net buyers. And we'll see how things work out. Now is the time to be very cautious. Maybe things can turn around, because we are seeing divergence. In terms of RSI, we are seeing higher high, and in terms of price action, in terms of RSI or in terms of indicator, we are seeing higher low, and in terms of price action, we are seeing higher high. So things might change, or things may change direction. So it is time to be very cautious. Look at the history, what has happened on previous year December, so on and so forth, so that you can get an idea. And in terms of US market and US futures and European futures are all mixed. US Dow Jones is it's almost flat. S&P 500, Nasdaq, everything is flat, and in fact Europe is in the red. So in case tomorrow if we gap down, I wouldn't be surprised if the market gaps down tomorrow. So that's a very hypothetical thing. We'll see how things work out. For now, be cautious. I hope you had a good year this year, this calendar year 2023. I hope it was good for you. It was very good for us. We'll share the verified PNL or whatsoever backend of our PNL shortly. Let's see how things work out. I'll end this video here. I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Till then, take care. Bye.